This is just going to be a little video of the assembly process of one of our boards once we've done all the hard bit, all the cutting out and shaping and all that sort of stuff. They're all held together by aerospace grade rivets, so let's take a look and see how it's done. Right, and now that's all together, it's time for a bit of polishing. What we like to use is this stuff by Mudders. It's pretty good stuff. Just don't use too much of it, that's the trick. Right, it may look ridiculous, but this stuff don't have to destroy your hands. So get yourself some good old marigolds. Bloody brilliant. Like I said, just a little bit. Keep changing cloths and just, if you can, try to go with the grain and the material. It does make life easier and you get better finish. One last finishing cloth, just to really buff it up a bit. Now we've got that all polished up, I'm going to put on our signature badge. Whoop, there you go. Solid pewter, self-adhesive, absolutely brilliant little things. Just line it up to the hard bit. Perfect. Now that's all done, let's go check out the cool stuff we picked up from Van Dam Longboard Shop. So we got the Sabre 127mm trucks. These are pretty nice little things. A set of risers and some 70mm unbranded wheels, but they look pretty cool. Should look pretty sweet on this board. So let's get it on there. Right, so there we have it. Another pretty awesome board for someone. As you could probably tell, we don't really do much of this sort of video and documenting stuff. It's not obviously something we're very good at, but it's something we're working on. Obviously need to get yourself a proper camera rather than using his old phone, etc, etc. But if you do want to see some of the stuff we make, we do get to make some pretty cool stuff, to be fair. Then, you know, do the whole like, subscribe thing and whatever, and then it shows that people want to see what we're doing, you know. If you check out our Instagram as well, you'll see the sort of stuff we used to do and, you know, what we do on a day-to-day basis. And yeah, so do what you got to do. I hope you enjoyed seeing whatever we did, and yeah, there you go.